Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Cobra replica. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Got the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, new balancer, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are installed, gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted to black, proper Canton Racing oil pan, rear sump oil pan for the 65 Cobra, oil stick and tube, Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are installed. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with a matching Cobra air cleaner. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. They're completely dialed in, ready to go. We have the aluminum bell housing on there. Customers are going to supply the T5Z transmission. So it's proper bell housing. You supply the transmission bolts. Ram clutch is installed, all set. Ready to go. Throw it bearing, clutch fork, high torque mini starter, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, electric choke wire with the 8-rib serpentine pulley kit on there. This is the correct one for the Cobra. Alternator and the power steering's mounted high for frame clearance. 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right here. High flow aluminum water pump. Thermostat housing is installed. Thermostat's installed. Coolant bypass hose. Power steering pump. Belts are all aligned, ready to go. So this way you get it, a complete custom built turnkey package engine, drop in ready, fully tested, right out of the crate. Thanks for watching.